first day of Southern Manufacturing, come down and see some of our bespoke work holding. We've got the new Black Edition multi-range, multi-rad, multi-rise, along with some of our pie jaws and diamond jaws, hard grip jaws, T-nuts that we make in the UK. Then we've got rotor centers, some of our mandrels, special work holding applications, examples of Magic Chuck, Turbo Clear Fan. Come see us at J200.
Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm introducing the Vita vacuum systems. We have several different ones on the stand that we're going to talk about. The Vac Mat, perfect for subcon work. When you don't know what's coming through the door, you can put a mat on, put it down, clamp it, and you're able to drill, machine profile, and go through. You've got the grid system, great for grinding and flat work when it needs to be high precision. The slot plate, which is great for doing odd, weird, thin shapes. You're able to go through this still and create odd shapes that you might not be able to hold on other systems. The flip pod is great for when you need to raise it up and go through the part. And then finally, we have Metapore for very, very thin sheet work to hold down for inspection purposes. This is our HWR solid line and Inno line range at Southern Manufacturing. The new Solid Grip Max holds up to 800mm in a dual vice system with our 96 and 52 0-point plates as standard. The Inner Flex is a 4-jaw compensating concentric chuck, great for any type of work, round, square or rectangular, castings, extrusions. This will hold it. Robotics section of our stand. Here we have a HWR pneumatic base plate, which is able to load and unload vices and other parts with our stud pattern. We have our lights out manufacturing vice actuator on one of our HWR vices, enabling you to load parts, grip them, and know that they're secure. We also have our infinite range vice actuator, which is perfect for big machine vices when you need to close over a large distance. We have vacuum work holding that we can automate, as well as the pneumatic air vice from Airvice.
We're representing Sam Chully today with a fantastic JB chuck. This has got a built-in jaw boring ring, so you can use that to quickly adjust and bore your jaws. We've also got the quick change chuck, so we can pop those jaws out, and this is all designed to reduce your setup time and up your spindle time.
And we're showing the new Flag Magnetics work holding. This is a patented system which shows when the magnet is actually active and when it's not active. We also have the lifting magnets. So we've got the FXR, which is for round material, and we have the FX300 Universal. One of the nice features about this magnet is the way the handle mechanism is dampened, so it doesn't wrap you across the knuckles when you release the magnet. Come and have a look, J200.